Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this YGwigs right here. This is what the packaging looks like. The packaging also comes with free goodies. It comes with 2 clips. It comes with an elastic band. It also comes with a wig cap, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. So those are the things in the box, and also a card voucher or a card as well. Yeah, so that's what the hair looks like. I really like this hair because the hairline for me is amazing. The hair also comes with baby hair as well. As you can tell, the construction of the cap is 13 by 6, and it also comes with HD lace. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It also comes with an elastic band as well. So if that's the look you're going for, but as always, I applied my glue, I applied my hair on the glue, and I tied my scarf, and I cut the extra lace, then bam, that's the first look. This video is all about showing you guys how to style your hair, to be honest, because most people always find it difficult to style their curly hair. They believe the only style they could go for is just one style. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can style the YGwigs curly hair. You can style it anyhow you like. Look at the hairline, guys. Where is the lace? Show me the laces. So that's another style. That's style 2. Then we're going to style 3. This style is basically the wet style. You can decide to go for a big hair, don't care kind of look, but in this look, this is proper wet curly look. So you can decide to use just water, but I decided to use products instead because I don't have my water bottle around. So yeah, you can replace any product with just water. You'll be good to go. The water can also activate the curls of the hair. So if that's the look you're going for as well, voila, look at that, guys. I am a fan. The hair looks amazing and the curls are popping. Look at that. I love the curls. Like seriously, I was just feeling myself. I couldn't help myself. I was feeling the hairline. I was feeling the curls. I showed you guys the length of the hair. The hair is true to length, and I am feeling myself. So yeah, that's another style for you. You can have center part, you can have half part, you can have any style of your choice because the hair is 13 by 6, so you have up to 6-inch parts. I also played with half up, half down, which I accidentally skip immediately. I don't know why, but yeah. You can also have the hairs half up, half down, ponytail, any style of your choice. Although this hair is lace frontal wig, but in this video for my ponytail, I actually used the, pin. Is it pin? Yeah, it's the pin at the back of the hair to secure the hair at the back. So yeah, you can also do that as well. You don't need to, wear a 360 lace frontal wig to have updo. So yeah, that's what I did, in case you're wondering how I got this, how I achieved this style. So yeah, I just used the pin in the cap to secure the hair, and voila, look at that, guys. This hair is absolutely versatile, so you can style it anyhow, as I mentioned. And look at that, that's another style. And I just kept feeling the curls. I was feeling myself, I was feeling the curls, and yeah. Stay tuned for my review. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about this hair. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is brought to you guys by YGwigs. They sponsored this video, so they sent me this curly wig. I'll go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this wig with you guys. So the first thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so there's no need for you to worry about that. Also, the hair has baby hair around the perimeters of it. If that's the look you're going for, please feel free to apply your baby hair, but in this video I decided not to go for baby hair. And the packaging also comes with a lot of goodies, for you to style your hair, so that's another plus for me in my opinion. And apart from that, the quality of the hair is amazing, guys. You guys already know that I've been working with this brand for like a while now, and all the quality of their hair are always spot on. This is like the fourth time or the 5th time that I've worked with them, and I'm always amazed with the quality of their hair. If you guys already know me, I only work with brands that I like and the brands that I believe that I can recommend the quality of their hair to you guys. So, and I like their hair, I'll definitely want to work with them again and again, which is the more reason why I like this brand. The quality of their hair is always on point. The hair is always very full and very lightweight on the head. But with this hair, I am impressed. The reason why I'm impressed is the fact that, where is the lace, guys? I can't find the lace. Please show me the lace. Like, the hairline of all their hair is always spot on, like always on point. You don't even need baby hair with all their hairlines. Their hairlines are always spot on. Like, the more reason I like their wigs. Another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the curls are popping. You don't need to apply a lot of product on this hair at all. I just decided to add a few more bits to it, but all you need to do is apply water on this hair and you just activate the curls like that. Like, seriously, the curls are popping. I actually don't have my serum, so apart from that, all you need is water. If you don't have any of the product that I use, if you activate, you can activate the curls with water, and as I showed you guys earlier, the curls are popping. I also like the fact that you can wear this hair curly, you can wear this hair wet, you can wear this hair anyhow you like. As you can tell, I'm wearing the hair as a rough bun, and the hair is not 360 lace frontal wig at all. The hair is actually a lace frontal wig. So all I did was just apply the pin at the back of the hair, and you know, to secure the hair at the back. That's all you need. You don't need glue, you don't need gel, you don't need anything to install this hair, because the hair also has an elastic strap inside the cap as well. But because I like to wear the hair that I review for you guys, you know, for a while before, you know, giving you the real tea during the voiceover, then I decided to go for gel. I'm not the type that I wear wig one day and take it off. No, I have to wear it for almost a week or so to be able to give you guys detailed review about the hair. So in most cases, I always prefer to use glue to apply my hair. Otherwise, you can secure this hair with the elastic band that comes with the box, or you can also use the elastic strap that is in the cap to, you know, secure the hair if that's the look you're going for. But otherwise, this cap is glueless. You don't need any glue or gel to install the hair, which is a plus for me. Another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that it's so lightweight on the hair, and there was no shedding, there was no tangling, there was no matting whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. And also bear in mind that you can pat the hair anyhow you like, because the hair have up to like 6 inches pats up right here, so it's tightened by 6 lace frontals. So if that's the look you're going for, you can pat the hair anywhere within the 13 by 6 closure and you will be good to go. And also another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that, you know, the hairline is just on point. Like, you don't need, if you're the type that like to, you know, extra pluck your hair, that's fine. But for me, with this look, I don't think there's any need for you to pluck and pluck, because it has been done for you straight from the box. Most important thing for me in any hair review is the quality of the hair, the shipping. And for the shipping of this hair, the hair actually took 3 days to get here in the UK, which I'm quite impressed about. Because you have an event in like few days and you need your hair, you'll be rest assured that YG Wigs will send your hair to you in 3 days. Exactly 3 days it would reach you wherever you are, which is one of the amazing things I like about the brand. And another thing that I like about this brand is the fact that their customer service is on point. They're always like there to answer any questions or concerns you have about their products. And also they are also active on Instagram, they are active on Facebook, and they're active on their email, you know, customer service generally. So that's one of those things that I like a lot about this brand. And also another thing that I like about the hair is the fact that the hair is also true to length. I'll put it down in a bit and show you guys how long the hair is on me. The hair is also true to length. So in terms of length, it's check. In terms of shipping, it's check for me. In terms of quality, it's check for me. Those are most of the things that I check in terms of, you know, reviewing hair for you guys. And also affordability. The hair is quite affordable, and bear in mind that they always have sales on their websites, and they also have different types of hair and styles on their website. They have curly, they have straight, they have, you know, closures, they have all types of hair on their website as well. So there's definitely something for you to choose from, and
the most amazing thing is the fact that you'll be rest assured that you're getting a good quality hair. I'll keep working with them because I love a brand that would, be consistent with their quality, which is what I've seen with them so far. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.